In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Control Center from lock screen on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to adjust a security setting so no one can access your Control Center while your phone is locked. So first, I'm going to open the Settings app, the grey gear icon. Once I'm inside Settings, I'm scrolling down until I find Face ID and Passcode. This section controls what features are available when your iPhone is locked. Now I'm tapping on Face ID and Passcode, and the phone is asking me to enter my passcode, so I'm typing it in to continue. This step is required because we're changing security related settings. Alright, now I'm inside the Face ID and Passcode settings page. I'm going to scroll down slowly until I see the section called Allow Access When Locked. This is where Apple lets you decide what someone can open without unlocking your phone. At this point I can see several toggles like notifications, Siri, wallet and control center. These determine what's accessible directly from the lock screen. Now I'm focusing on control center, I'm turning that toggle off. Once it's disabled, no one will be able to swipe down from the top right corner of your lock screen to access quick settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode or brightness. I like to pause here because this is an important privacy step. A lot of people don't realize that Control Center on the lock screen can be used to turn off data or airplane mode even when the phone is locked, so disabling it adds an extra layer of protection. Once I turn it off, the change is applied immediately. There's no save button needed, so you can simply exit the settings app. Now I'm going to test it quickly. I lock my phone, and when I try to swipe down from the top right corner, Control Center no longer appears. That confirms the setting is working correctly. And that's it. You opened settings, went into Face ID and passcode, entered your passcode, found the Allow Access When Locked section, and turned off Control Center. Now your iPhone is more secure when it's locked.